Yan.
Bakit hanap mo Brian? Bakit?
Yung tawa.
Oh, gusto mo makita Brian? Oh.
Hello, buddy.
Ayan.
Yeah. Hello, boy.
Why he likes you? Why he always looking at you? Why?
He wants to know.
What?
Hey, buddy. What you got there?
He's just showing off.
Oh,
He's like showing
yeah.
off.
Oh, what's that? Oh, that's nice.
He said, ano yan?
What?
Ano yan?
What is that?
What is that? Ano yan?
Ano yen. Ano yen.
Gun! Ano
Oh,
yan? Oh, so many guns.
Oh, you're a Filipino.
Why are you showing me the gun? For what?
Yeah.
I think of you a little boy kid.
Hey. What, are you going to be a gangster when you grow up? A gangster?
Ano yan? Asan ka?
Hey.
Ayun. Ano yan, Samsam?
Where are you hiding?
Asan ka, Samsam? Di ka namin kita. Where are you? Auntie, wait a minute.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. I'm getting another toy. Another toy.
Ay, ba?
What do you got there?
Where? We cannot see. Hindi makita. Asan? I think he's trying to show already, but we cannot see on the screen.
There it is.
Where? Asan? Asan? Ha? Asan? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Samuel.
What do you got?
What? Ding. Yung bag ding. To go.
Oh. I cannot
Diba?
understand. Oh, he's trying to say something. Oh. I cannot understand.
That ding.
What is that? Sugkabek? Beng beng? Beng beng? Baril? Beng beng? Sugat ka? I think he said he hurt himself to a gun. Sugat ikaw sa beng beng? Samuel, may sugat ka? Asan? Oh, yeah, she said he got hurt on the bang bang. She said, sakit, painful. My hand, painful, auntie, sugat. Asan? Tingin kamay? Show the hand. Show. Tingin ng kamay? Asan kamay? He said he was tusok. The sharp thing on the sakit. My hand hurt. That's why I don't understand. Sugat ako. How can you say that? Sugat ako kamay. My hand hurt.
Where are you hiding?
Why the bang bang?
Where are you hiding?
Asan ka na, Samuel? Samsam, hindi kita makita. Where are you? You understand when you said, where are you? Where are you? Samuel, where are you? He said he hurt her hands. Maybe he go out and show to his father or mother. Hello? Samuel?
Kita mo dito.
Sabi niya, sugat ako kamay. Sugat ako kamay. Baril tusok.
Ayun, no?
Sabi niya, bang bang tusok. Toilet.
Hey, you're doing a jobby.
No! Someone!
Oo, oo, oo. Jobby boy.
Oo pa, ha? Ayan, no? Kita ka. Kita ka, Brian, no? Eh, hawakan mo pa yung cellphone. Hindi pwede.
Oh, I can
He
smell.
wants to hold up the phone.
Baho,
Oh.
baho,
Smell.
baho,
Smell.
baho, baho,
Sabi ko, diba?
baho.
Sabi ko, sabi
He said he has a wee wee.
ko,
He's trying to show that he go there to
Napupusa,
wee wee.
ha? Napupusa. Ang kadiri, tapos nakainak.
Edeline said, I don't have appetite to eat. Because he poo and I'm eating. I'm losing my appetite.
Hugas na? Wash? Wash na?
Sige, wash mo muna.
Hindi pa daw siya wash.
Sabi niya sa amin kanina, sugat ako, bang bang, tusok. I'm trying to tell Ednaline what
Meron
she said.
siyang sugat dito, yung sa kuko niya.
She said,
Kasi nag-ano ingrown.
oh, in her nails. That's why he said, tusok on the gun. On the toy gun. Said, auntie,
Oo.
my hand hurts in the bang bang.
Ganyan kasi yan, ah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's why he hurt himself.
A toy gun.
Nirecord ko pa man din.